Hey there, Homestead. It's Elizabeth from Community, and today we're going to talk about how to view and change the PIN for your Homestead account. If you ever need to call in for support, we're always happy to help, but we will need to verify the account first. There are two methods of verification, but the first method we're always going to try is to verify via the email address on file for the Homestead account and the PIN. The email address is the one that we send notifications to, and it's what you use to log in. The PIN is typically a 5-digit number that we issued when the account was created, so it's okay if you don't remember it or if you don't have it written down, as it may have been issued a long time ago. However, we do make it very easy and accessible for you to get the PIN if you need to verify. So if you're on phone support and you're logged into the account, you can click on Account in the top right-hand corner of your Homestead account, and you'll see the option Show My PIN. If you click on that, it'll literally show you the PIN right there, and you can just read it off. It's very easy. If for any reason you can't log into your Homestead account, the phone agent can email the PIN to the email address on file, and you can retrieve it that way. If you ever feel that your Homestead PIN has been compromised, it's very important that you change it, because this is a verification method for your account. So if someone has your email address and your PIN, they can call in and make changes to the account that you have not authorized. So if you feel that your PIN has been compromised, click on Account in the top right-hand corner and click Contact Info and Security. This will bring you to the page that shows you your PIN and gives you the option to reissue the PIN. This is going to generate another random set of 5 numbers for your PIN. You can't set a specific 5 numbers for your PIN. It is always randomly generated. That is a security feature for our Homestead accounts. So again, you can always reissue the PIN, and you can always view it in the Homestead account if you need to verify. If you found this video helpful, click the like button below, which is the thumbs up. To make sure you see new videos we post, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button below the video. Thanks for watching.